Čau, Horsi. Atkal atnācu ciemos pie tevis. Kā tev iet? Kā tev iet, mans draugs? Jā, čau. Labs, skaistuls. Es tev atnesu kaut ko. Man šoreiz ir gardums. Paskat, kas man ir. Man ir burkāniņi. Viņas tikai vajag. Jā, kur jau viņi nāk, redzi? Tolī. Tā, vienmēr. Noņemšu plasmasas visas. Tā. UK burkāns. Tā. Ņem, mans draugs, ņem. Paskat. Oi. No. Redzi, toreiz es tev neatnesu. Šoreiz atnesu. Excuse me. I'm talking in Latvian. I come back to give you more carrots. My friend, take one more. Yeah, sure. I hope you like them. No. Hrum. UK burkāni. UK burkāni, UK zirdziņš. Iepriekšējā reiz nekāda līdz nebija. Nejauši viņu atradu šeit. Baidījos, ka viņš šodien nebūs. Tasty. Hrum. Another one? Yeah, sure, sir. Take one more. I hope you enjoy them. A good horse. Beautiful horse. Morrison provided these nice carrots for this nice horse. Beautiful horse. It's wonderful that you can find different places while running and some beautiful things to see. Hrum. Must be hungry. Right? No one gives you carrots, only grass. Friendly horse. Hrum. You don't wanna... No. Okay. I won't disturb you while you are eating. Nyam. Poor animal, must be really hungry. Now you wanna make friends, yes? No? Still eating? No? Yeah. Okay, I'll give you a carrot. I don't have much left. Yeah. 1 and 2. Okay, go my friend. Nyam. Oh my god. Morrison carrots. Thank you, Morrison, for providing UK carrots for this nice horse. One more? Yes. Nyam. Oi, nyam.